Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine you have this repeating calendar event set up, right? But for the past couple of weeks, you've been getting notifications way earlier than you should. What's the deal with that? Let's dive into it. Now, let's talk about the solution to this hiccup. The key here is to remove the travel time completely from the event details. By doing this, your notification will consistently pop up 10 minutes before your event at 6:20 p.m. It turns out that the notification timing is directly affected by the travel time feature in macOS Sonoma. You can find all the nitty-gritty details about this behavior in the Apple support docs. Solution aside, remember that the notification time is influenced by various factors like your location, event location, and traffic conditions. So, by tweaking the travel time setting, you can ensure that your notification always pops up at the right time. Keep that in mind for smoother calendar reminders moving forward. In summary, by adjusting the travel time setting in your calendar event, you can ensure that your notifications are spot on. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay organized and tech savvy.